Howdy folks, welcome back to the garage. Just me here today, cameraman Dan's up at work. Thought we'd have a little chat. There's some things going on. Thought it'd be kind of interesting to talk about social media today. Are you guys interested in Instagram and Facebook? I have a Facebook page, I have an Instagram, but I really don't use them a whole lot. I've been trying to use them more in the last couple of weeks just to see if people are interested or not. And it seems like people are kind of interacting with it, but I haven't seen direct results. And I thought nothing better than coming straight out and asking you guys, do you want to see more from me on Instagram and Facebook, like pictures, updates? Because I can't always be out, especially like this last week, where we were like 34 below with like 70 below wind chills, and doing stuff with the camera as far as video, but I can keep you up to date on what's going on Facebook and on Instagram a lot easier. So if you're interested in that stuff, drop me a comment below. Let me know what you think, what you'd like to see there. I do kind of my photography stuff through Instagram, so like the awesome pictures of Brute or Knocker here, or Danny's project, the wheel horse, or like even over here I got the smoker. I don't know if I mentioned this before. I think I did, but I'm making up a set of ribs. I'm going to show you those ribs here coming up soon. Other than that, just let me know, what are you thinking about social media? Do you want to see pictures of my cooking? Do you even want to see my cooking? I can do videos about smoking up some ribs and other meats and making jerky. If y'all are interested in that, I can make those videos. Let me know below in the comments. Other than that, give me a moment here. I'm going to get you in to see these ribs. They've been on for about two and a half hours, and they're coming along just perfect. I just added some more chips to it, and it's getting up to temp, so don't matter. I can open up the door quick, show you the ribs. Alrighty, check out these ribs. Some signature Build a Tractor Man dry rub on these. They are super moist. They look kind of dry right now, but that's just a dry rub. It's a really thick layer of dry rub on these puppies. They are wonderful. Nice thick ribs. I think they're about 3 pounds here. So let me know what you guys think. You want more social media, Instagram and Facebook. If you didn't know, Instagram is Build a Tractor Man. Facebook page is Build a Tractor Man, of course. There'll be links down below in the description. Like I said, let me know if you want those more often, because I'll do it. I'll try and keep up on it more. If you're into it, I'll do cooking videos. I got more tractor videos. I got some truck videos coming up. If you guys really like it and I see good feedback on this, I'll keep going with more equipment and making better content. So anyways, thanks for watching. Let me know down below. And if you haven't already, give me a subscribe and a thumbs up. That helps get my content out in front of other people so that they can enjoy it.